Hi, I'm Dr. Jen Flynn, and I'm here to talk to you about how we as chiropractors can help with your headaches and your migraines, okay? So what we do when you come into our office is we'll take a thorough history. We want to know how long you've been having these migraines, how long they last, and then what type of headaches you're having. There are many different types of headaches, all of which can be helped. So we will assess your neck and your upper body and see how well those joints are moving. The most important thing you can do is get an adjustment. That will affect the movement of those joints in your neck and the nerves that come out of those vertebral holes. The nerves in your neck affect your eyes, your ears, your throat, your nose, the muscles in your head, the nerves that go into your brain stem. They also go down into your arms. So if you're having a lot of pressure in your neck, we'll assess exactly which joints aren't moving that need to be moved. And then we give you a specific chiropractic adjustment, which we've been trained to do through schooling and through practice, to be able to move those joints and get those nerves flowing properly how they're supposed to. That will decrease the muscle tension and the headaches and the pain in your neck.